everyone! For today's video guys, magagawa kami ni Dylan. Ito kasama ko si Dylan. At gamit namin guys yung gusto kong i-try itong camera na nabili ko lang nung last week yata yun. Yeah, last week lang. So gusto ko siyang i-try guys kung paano siya at gamit ko itong microphone. Okay naman yata siya sa paningin ko. Dati ang gamit ko lang guys ay itong Sony ZV-1 at saka yung aking cellphone. Kaya lang ito ang dami kong problema naman sa paggagawa ko ng video. Minsan hindi ko alam i-connect yung kanyang microphone. Minsan napakadilim. So ayan, dahil ang dami ko naman nakita ng mga good reviews at marami nang gumagamit nitong Osmo Pocket 3. So ngayon, ayan, napabili na rin tayo guys. So for today's video guys, gagawa kami ni Dylan ng loot bag na dadalhin niya sa school bukas. Nung Thursday pa siya nag-birthday pero walang pasok nung Thursday dahil merong snowstorm. At tapos Friday, PA day nila, tapos nag-weekend na. Tapos today naman Monday, family day dito sa Canada, holiday, walang pasok ang school at lahat-lahat yata. So ngayon, ang gagawin namin, gagawin namin yung loot bag today para madala niya bukas. So ipakita ko lang sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga babalutin namin. One sec. So ayan, ito guys. So maglalagay kami ng mga crayons. Yan. Crayola. Yan. Sa mga bata. Tapos dadagdagan na lang namin ng yung mga pailaw yata ito. Hindi ko alam yan. Si Chiche ang bumili niyan. At saka itong yung pencil sharpener. Yan. At saka meron ding konting laruan na ganyan. Na binili ko pa to sa Amazon few weeks ago. At hindi ko na alam kung magkano ang presyo guys. Ito yung from last year pa ito. So ilalagay ko na rin yan. Dahil 18, 20. At yan, ito may laruan din. Meron pa ako doon nakatago. Kapag kulang, ilalabas ko pa yung iba. Simple lang naman guys yung gagawin naming loot bag. Basta lang walang pagkain dahil bawal ang candies or any pagkain sa school. At saka yan, mga pencils. At ito yung loot bag guys na gagamitin namin. Ayan, at ito. Ayan, nalagyan ko na rin siya ng sticker guys na ganyan. Thank you for making my birthday so bright. Dylan, yan. Pero sinulat ko yung Dylan. At saka, meron ding ito. Yung mga eraser na yan. So, yan guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano namin gawin. So, 18. Bale, 18. Yan. Come this way. Come here. Yeah. You're gonna stay there. Yeah, like that. So, we're gonna do where's the bag? This one is prepared already. I put the sticker like that. Yeah. Sticker. We're gonna give it. So, ito guys, yung bale 18, iba't ibang kulay na loot bag. May blue, may pink, may white, at may yellow din. Yan. Ayan. So, 18. So, I will be the one to put in the bag, okay? So, you don't get confused. But, can you get the scissor for me? So, I can open the eraser. Mine. Yours is fine. Whatever is available. Easy to get. Yeah. Yan, tinatry ko na guys itong camera. Very exciting naman. Finally, nagkaroon na rin tayo ng maganda-gandang camera. Tayo na lang ang hindi ready, guys.
What should I do?
Kung anong magiging itsura natin dito. Okay? You give me stuff and then I put them in the bag. So we're gonna do the crayons first, okay? That way it's flat.
Can I do the eraser?
The pencil, take them out.
The pencils?
Yeah. So, isang crayon sa isang bag para mabigat siya, para tumayo siya. Para hindi mahirap maglagay-lagay na. 1. You think your classmates will be happy with this?
Yeah. Wait,
Why you say that? Why you say that? Why do you think they are happy? They are going to be happy. Because it's a loot bag. Nangangati yung ilong ko, guys. At meron din akong sore throat.
Can I put things inside?
Not yet. Crayons first, one by one. You wanna do this?
Yeah.
You have to go to the other side then.
I can reach it.
Maybe I'll do it so it's neat, okay? So it's not messy. Just help me take out all the pencils
Okay.
from the bag. Yeah.
And then put them in the bag. One of
Yeah.
these bags.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I put them.
You wanna go on this side so you can count?
I can't count them from there.
Why?
9,
Huh?
10, 11.
You have more. Simple lang naman itong loot bag, guys. Pero syempre, masisiyahan yung mga bata pag may mga loot bag na ganito sa any party. Walang party pero may pa-loot bag. Okay, count.
So there is
How many now?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay, wait.
5, 6, 7, 8.
I don't want to get rid of that bag there.
There's 12 now.
13.
13,
You're counting so slow.
14,
'How many is that? I don't like messy, okay? Because I don't want to give a loot bag looks like garbage, right?
cannot do it.
You need to make it nice.
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
I need more bags.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then
15, 16, 17, 18.
18.
I don't think so. You're wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I need 2 more bags. I'll put them on the side. I said take this out and you didn't. I'm gonna give to Timothy and her sister, right?
Yes.
You wanna give to... We need to give to Angelo's sister? You want?
Yeah, sure.
We'll see how many. Okay, give me. Wait. Maybe this is enough. So, this is 18. Wait lang, tayo ako guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Gusto ko lang ipakita guys, ito mga laruan. Yan, ito yung ganyan. Iba-ibang shape. Mga ganyan. May triangle, may star. Yan, ilalagay ko yan sa loob ng loot bag. At ito naman ay yung frog. Ano ba ito? Yan. Ganyan siya. Yan. Yung ano mo siyang ganyan, tatalon siya. Yan. Ganyan lang. Tapos, ito yung mga pencil sharpener. Wait lang at tingnan ko to. Ito naman ay yung pag-glowy light. Ganyan. Gustong-gusto ng mga bata. Meron siyang star na kasama. Ganyan, oh. Kukonek siya. Tapos, kapag, mag-iilaw. Yan, guys. Yung pinakita ko kanina na glow, na ito, guys. Ito, ganito pala siya. Ilalagay yung, dito, yung star. Tapos, kapag pinutol nila to, di ba, mag-glow. Ito rin yung style. May mga bracelet, mga ganun. Pero ganito yung kinuha namin dito na ilalagay sa loot bag. So, bale, 1 each din. Ayan guys, nabalot ko na yung mga, mga loot bag. Yan ang laman ng bawat isa. Yan. Wait lang, ipakita ko yung loob. So, yung isang balot, yan ang laman. Yan. Simple lang. Isang Crayola, isang laruan na ganyan. At kulang ito. Dapat meron pa itong yung frog. Yan, may kulang. Yan, ganyan lang guys. Simple lang pero yan, pag ganyan, nakatanggap yung mga bata dito, masaya na sila dyan. Dahil makakatanggap sila ng loot bag. Yan, ganyan. Kahit ganyan lang guys, masaya na yung mga bata. So ganyan, bale, ito lahat yung mga nabalot ko. So, ayan lang guys for today's video. I hope nagustuhan ninyo guys yung mga ideas na pwedeng ilagay sa loot bag kung kayo ay magpapa-party or birthday or anything like that. So, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you again on my next one. Thank you so much. Bye! Say bye, Dylan. Want to say bye? Say thank you. Bye.
Thank you, bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.